Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create custom table style. Okay, so previously I have shown you how to create a table, insert it, and format it using different options there. But now I'm going to show you how to create custom table design. So there's an option there. So how can you modify it within this custom dialog box? So yeah, so click on the table in order to get this icon, select icon, this plus sign, and select it. And then you'll find an option called table design in the ribbon. Okay, so click on the ribbon and the table design, and then you'll find this built-in design. But what we need is the custom design, right? So I'm going to click on table styles, and you see these are the plain styles, the grid tables, and all these and that, so you can choose one of them. That's a different thing which I have shown you before. But now what I'm going to do is modify table style. So if you click on this, then it gives you a dialog box like this one, from where you can format your table. Okay, so and this is the preview of the table, like how your table is going to look like. Okay, so and here you see formatting, apply formatting to whole table, right? And you can change that to header row or total row, first column, last column, etc. So first I'm going to choose the whole table, so that the format that I choose applies to the whole table. So now I'm going to change this font from here, and I'm going to choose Time New Roman. I do that mistake over and over again. Sorry about that. So, uh, I'm going to keep this font size 12, and not using any of these, but I can use the color from here, but I don't like, I like it to be the automatic color. Okay, so and then this is the width of the border. This is the width of the border, and this is the border, and this is also the color and color. Okay, so I'm not working on all of them, but this is the border, right? So you can only choose, now it's all borders, so I'm gonna choose, I don't see, yeah, no border option. So now there's no border. However, I want the top border. Okay, so let's see, top border, and then bottom border. Oops, no border. It's okay, bottom border and top border. Okay, and if you go to the border again, you can select any of the options from here. Okay, and now I'm going to, oops, let me choose the top border again. Okay, so I have selected top and bottom border, and this looks like this now. And there's an option called alignment. Okay, so currently it is left alignment, as you can see, but for all of these cells I want it to be center aligned. That looks better to me. And there are different kinds of alignment, to the left, to the right, or different combinations, so you can choose any one of them, but I'm going to choose align center. Okay, now it is positioned in the center of the cell. Okay, so these are the things that applies to my whole document. Now you can customize it to, like, I'm going to change the heading, so header row is going to be different from other cells. So, and I will bold it. Okay, now see, they're now bold only for this row. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color of that as well. I'm gonna take this color instead of the black. I think this one is, I will select no color. This one is for the shading, but for the color of the text, I'm gonna select this color. Okay, so the color has been changed from the black to this blue color. Okay, so this is for the top row, not for all of them, right? So I have shown you how to use the custom style table from here, and if you click OK, this all applies to your table. Okay, so I'm going to click OK, but only in this document. So what you can do is you just what you did, you can apply it just to this document, the one that is open now. But at the same time, if you want, you can use this formatting style for all the tables that you will be creating in the future in the document. Okay, in your computer, right? So you can, in that case, you have to choose new documents based on this template. So whenever you bring up a new document, this already formatted thing, like preset formatting that you just did, would be applying to that newly created table. So I just select only in this document, then click OK. Then all of my formatting has been applied to this table. I hope this was helpful. If you find my tutorials and channel helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.